Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best calligraphy kits is probably one of the most rewarding ways to express your creativity and add a touch of elegance to your life. Whether you're looking to master the art of beautiful handwriting for personal projects, professional endeavors, or simply as a relaxing and mindful hobby, and this curated selection of beginner-friendly kits is designed to guide you smoothly into the world of elegant script. Number 5. Pretty Simple Lettering Workbook. Discover the joy of beautiful handwriting. This workbook guides you through the fundamentals of hand lettering and modern calligraphy. Perfect for beginners eager to start their creative journey. Designed with beginners in mind, this guide breaks down complex techniques into simple, easy-to-follow steps. You'll be creating stunning lettering in no time. Follow our clear, step-by-step instructions to master each stroke and flourish. Learn at your own pace and build confidence with every page. Enjoy a premium experience with its durable spiral-bound hardcover. The high-quality pages are designed to withstand practice, making it a lasting addition to your creative tools. Explore the elegant art of modern calligraphy. This workbook demystifies the process, making it accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Whether you're looking to start a new hobby or enhance your artistic skills, this workbook is your ideal companion. Let your creativity flow and create beautiful lettering. What we like. This kit is perfect for those who want a structured learning experience. If you are a complete beginner looking for guided practice and clear instructions, this workbook will be your best friend. It's ideal for anyone who prefers a hands-on approach to learning modern calligraphy. What people say. The kit includes a variety of nib sizes, allowing for different line thicknesses and styles. The ink provided is smooth and consistent, making it easy to achieve clean lines. The instructional booklet is clear and concise, offering helpful tips for beginners. Number 4. Beginner's Calligraphy Kit. Discover the beautiful art of calligraphy with this all-in-one kit. It's designed specifically for those new to the craft. Inside, you'll find all the essential tools to get started right away. No need to search for separate supplies. We've made it simple for beginners to learn. The included guide will help you master the basics quickly. Practice and create elegant lettering for invitations, cards, and more. Express your creativity with beautiful handwriting. This kit makes a wonderful gift for anyone interested in art or journaling. Give the gift of creativity. What we like. If you're looking for the most straightforward entry into calligraphy, this is the one. It provides everything a beginner needs to get started without overwhelming them. Choose this if you want a simple, hassle-free introduction to the art form. What people say. Includes 3 different size nibs, 12 ink cartridges that fit into a hollow pen and a regular pen with a calligraphy felt tip. Nibs, instruction book, several practice sheets. It's very well put together. Ink flows nicely from the nibs, very professional product. Easy to open and store in box it arrived in. The set includes a wedge tip marker for beginner, a calligraphy pen with several interchangeable nibs and different ink colors. Also included was a beginner instructional manual as well as practice paper for practice sessions. This is everything a beginner needs to learn to do basic calligraphy. Number 3. U.S. Art Supply 35-piece Calligraphy Pen Set. Unlock your creativity with this comprehensive calligraphy set. It includes everything you need to begin your artistic journey, from pens and nibs to inks and practice materials. Explore a wide range of lettering styles with 5 distinct nib grades. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, these nibs offer incredible versatility for every stroke. Add a splash of color to your creations with 8 vibrant ink options. From classic black and blue to bright reds and yellows, your words will truly stand out. Enjoy uninterrupted creativity with our reusable ink cartridges. Simply refill them for endless writing and artistic expression, making it an eco-friendly choice. Rely on a brand known for its commitment to quality art supplies. U.S. Art Supply provides excellent products and dedicated customer service for your peace of mind. What we like. This set offers incredible versatility for exploring different lettering styles. If you enjoy experimenting with various line thicknesses and vibrant colors, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want a broad range of creative options right out of the box. What people say. Very smooth draw and nice look. The U.S. Art Supply 35-piece calligraphy pen writing set is a comprehensive and well-thought-out collection of pens, nibs, and colorful ink cartridges. It is an ideal set for those interested in elegant writing as both an informative, as well as artful, form of communication. Number 2. Beginner Calligraphy Set. Discover the joy of calligraphy with this beautifully crafted set. It's perfect for anyone looking to start their creative journey. Each piece is made with love by our finest craftsmen, ensuring a high-quality writing experience. You'll feel the difference in every stroke. This comprehensive kit includes a wooden dip pen, a feather quill, 19 versatile nibs, black ink, and a holder, all presented in a lovely gift box. Whether you're a beginner exploring a new hobby or a professional seeking quality tools, this set is designed to inspire. Experience smooth, clog-free writing thanks to the high-quality nibs designed to hold ample ink. Enjoy a truly satisfying writing experience. Presented in an exquisite gift box, this set makes a thoughtful and cherished present for men and women alike. Give the gift of creativity. What we like. For a touch of classic elegance and a unique writing experience, consider this set. If you appreciate traditional tools and want a beautiful, gift-ready package, this is ideal. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike who enjoy the aesthetic and feel of vintage calligraphy tools. What people say. The feather quill looks amazing, the pictures don't do it justice. I'm seriously considering getting myself this set now after seeing how nice these are. Looks exactly like the picture and has ink that comes with. You can use this kit with a feather pen or with a normal one and you can easily create different styles of writing. Beautiful calligraphy pen sets. Easy to use and the quality is great. Number 1. Beginner Calligraphy Set with 3 pens, 20 nibs. Discover the joy of calligraphy with this beginner-friendly kit. It includes everything you need to start your creative journey. This comprehensive set features 3 distinct pens, a variety of 20 nibs for different styles, and 4 ink bottles in various colors. Enjoy a smooth and comfortable writing experience thanks to the high-quality wooden pens, premium ink, and precisely engineered nibs. Presented in an elegant black and gold box, this calligraphy set makes a thoughtful and cherished gift for anyone, regardless of age or gender. We are confident you'll love this calligraphy kit. It's designed for beginners and crafted with care, ensuring a delightful experience. What we like. This kit is a fantastic option for those who want a complete set with a variety of colored inks and pens. If you're looking for a well-presented gift for men, women, or kids, this set offers great value. It's suitable for beginners who want to start writing with different pen styles and colors immediately. What people say. This set is great for the beginner and has what you need to get started. It came to me very securely packaged, has a good variety of styles and sizes of nibs, 3 straight nib holders, 4 jars of an easy-flowing ink, black, blue, red and green, and a pen holder well. The nibs are easily changed. They are of good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.